Hi friends, let me show you my new Kucacci smart door lock with a keypad, an electric door lock. It has all the instructions you need to install it. Smart lock user manual, all the instructions. Okay, this diagram to help you if you are going to do the holes in your door. But if you have them already, you don't need it, okay? You get all the accessories, the cards to open it. You can open it with this kind of cards, proximity cards. Okay. Okay, here is the actual door lock. It looks really nice. Has this plastic rubber band to help you get water and dust out. And as you can see, it's really nice. It's kind of black. You can open it with your fingerprint, with a code, with a key, with the cards. Here are the keys, with a phone application. So it's really, really nice. Let's try it.